Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to remove mildew from tiles. Now, what is mildew? Mildew is the earlier form of mold. The difference is that mold is a black form of fungus, and mildew is a white or gray form of fungus. Ordinarily, you could use a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water, chlorine and water, sodium bicarbonate, which is in water softening agents, to neutralize mildew. For our example, we're just going to use hydrogen peroxide mixed with water, place it in a spray bottle, which I've already pre-prepared. I'm going to spray it on. I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. Keep scrubbing the joints, try to get all that mildew out. Hey, what do you know, this stuff is working. Sponge or mop, in either case. I'm going to scrub it off. If by chance it doesn't get it on the first application, you might have to go directly over it with the solution right out of the bottle for touch-ups and just let it sit. And go over it again. And again, a lot of this mildew is caused by gummy cleaners. So you want to avoid all these gummy cleaners. You want to have a neutral-based cleaner, a non-gummy cleaner, like a vinegar and water or lemon juice. Take that and we're going to clean our joints. Most hydrogen peroxide that's available in the store is about 3 to 5% solution. So more than likely you'd probably put that on direct to make it have the effect that you want. But there are other cleaners available right off the market. This is an acidic-based cleaner. It's very caustic when you're using it. Make sure you use gloves. But those type of cleaners, calcium, lime, and rust remover, if you have a ferrous stain, like a hard water stain, you can't mistake that for mildew. That's a different type of stain, and you would use the acidics. This was how to clean mildew from a tile. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, helping you build a better life. Reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy.